Hello, my name is Rachel Hodges, and today I'm going to show you how to get into AR. First, go to the USD251.org website. Then on the top toolbar, there are many links that you might find useful. Click on Renaissance Place to get to AR. And if you're a student, you'll want to click on I'm a student. If you're a parent and you would like a login to have access to your students' information, please email me or come by the school library and I can get you set up with that. Click on I am a student. Your username will be your first initial and the first four in your last name, and then your password will be your first initial and your last initial. When you log in and you want to take a test on a book, you'll click on Accelerated Reader. And on this screen, you can enter the title of the book, the author, or if you have a quiz number, you can do that as well. So I'm going to enter in the name of the book. And it should give you several choices. This time I just have one. If it gives you several choices, you can look at the picture, but the picture sometimes is not always the same if it's been updated. But look for the author name and make sure the reading level is the same as what's on your book. So this says Anne on the Farm by Mary Down Hahn. The level's 4.0. It's worth 3 points. So this is the one I want. I'm going to press Take Quiz. You'll have the option to tell if you were read to, if you read with someone, or if you read by yourself. So I'll choose I read by myself, and I'm ready to start my quiz. At the junior high level, you will be asked to put in a monitor password. That means you need a teacher to come in and approve you so that they know that that's what you're doing right now, you're testing. At the high school level, you'll need to go to the library to get logged in and have the librarian enter the password so you can take the test. At the elementary level, you do not need to put in a password, so you'll press Start Quiz. It'll ask you 10 questions. If it's a longer book, it might ask you 20. You'll choose which question is correct. I'm just going to choose some. If you want to change your mind, you can click on a different one. But once you click Next, you can't go back, so make sure you get the one you want. Please read the questions carefully. Make sure you finish the book before you take a test. Okay, when you're done, it'll give you your score. So on this one, out of my guessing, I just got half of the questions right and half of them wrong. So it says 50%. It means I don't get any points because I didn't do well enough on the test, and that won't count for anything, but it will bring down my percentage of correct. So click on Next, and it should take you to your progress screen. Okay. At the elementary level, you'll have a flower, and every time you take a test and you get points, it'll start filling up a little bit more of the flower until you're all the way done. Since I didn't get any points, I haven't filled in any of my flower yet. It says 0 points here. My goal is up here at the top. My goal is 5.8. I need to get 5.8 points. The smaller picture books are usually a half a point or 1 point. Shorter chapter books would be 1 or 2 points. And then the longer fiction books could be from 3 to, depending on how long it is, up to 20 or more points. If I'm ready to take another test, I can click on Find My Next Book. If I'm not sure if I've taken a test on a book, I can search through the search bar. Since I just took this book, I'll look it up and see at the bottom it'll say quiz taken. Yes, I've taken this quiz. I can't take it again since I've already done it once. That's one way to find out if you've taken a quiz. Another way is to go to your bookshelf. Every book that you've taken a test on, up here on the right-hand side, if you click on bookshelf, will be saved on here. Right now I just have one, but as it fills in, it'll keep going. Next month, it'll add up the October ones, and any books I take tests on, it'll go there as well. For our students that have been here multiple years, they can go back several years and see what they took back in second grade or fifth grade and and see all the books that they've read or find their favorite if they can't remember. But any book that you have taken a test on an accelerated reader will be saved there, and you will not be able to take a test on it again. So this is where you would want to look to find that out. Bookshelf, Oregon. You can type the name of the book in and see if it says quiz taken at the bottom. Those are the basics for using AR. If you need any help or you want to know what your reading level is from your STAR test, please contact your teacher or Mrs. Hodges in the library. Thank you.